inspired because last year I went to go see my friend who played in it, Sam, and then I was like, why in the world was I not a part of this?
Well, I was walking in the hallway one day, and I was like, Dr. Cusatis, what's up? And he was like, hey man, you should join the applause concert. And I was like,
I think one of the most inspirational people that I have liked or have inspired me the most are like Selena Quintanilla, which is a Mexican-American singer that was in the 90s that I used to listen to a lot, especially like when I was little. And another person is Lana Del Rey.
Again.
I would do this again, yeah. It's definitely been a learning process, and I've met a lot of other great, talented musicians through this, and I want to do this in my life, like, a lot. So, yeah. Nice.
What inspired you to join Sounds Like Teen Spirit?
What inspired me? Well, I've always really loved music, and I've always loved singing, and I'm a dancer, so I love performing. And Michelle from the show, so that was really fun.